ready, please follow me on this side. Okay, and all you have to do is to put your left arm like this. Here, sir. And of course, we need the magic reward, and that is the food. Alright, sir, do you have any idea what is our next animal friend? No idea. Any guess?
It's a bird.
A bird. Let's see. Let us welcome Ara and Golda. Come on, guys. Okay, sir, just relax. Alright. So, by the way, Ara and Golda is our sun kunur, also known as the sun parakis or the Aratinga suspicialis. They originated from South America and can live up to 20 years in captivity. Sir, what can you say about Ara and Golda? Beautiful. How does it feel?
Nice to be so close to the bird.
Okay, so how about a big round of applause for Ara and Golda and for my volunteer here. Thank you so much, sir. And you will be receiving a gift certificate from Sokovia Bansu. Thank you. You can visit them at Paradise Ranch, Sokovia Valley. Chelsea. Ate Chelsea, are you excited to meet our next animal friend?
Yes.
Yes, super excited. And since you are ready, please welcome our Philippine Eagle Owl, Michael. Come on, Michael. Okay, Ate Chelsea, just relax. You will put Michael on your shoulder. Alright. Can you look at the audience, Ate? Come on, Michael. Okay, so once again, Michael is our Philippine Eagle Owl. It is a vulnerable species of bird that belongs to the Strigidae family. They are locally known as kuago or bukao. And don't you know that an owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendons? Ate Chelsea, what can you say about Michael?
He's beautiful and he's cool.
Okay, so how about a big round of applause for Michael and for my brave kid volunteer. Thank you so much, Ate. You may go back to your seat. And also you'll be receiving a gift certificate on that side, on this side. Okay, please stay here. Hello, Coco. Happy morning. How about a greeting to everybody? One more time, Coco. Okay, so let's see some demonstration that Coco learns here in Zoobic, and that is the handshake. How about on the other side? Alright, hello ma'am, happy morning. What is your name? Mary. Mary, I'm going to give you a chance to ask 2 questions to Bobo. Answer her only by yes. And if he nods his head, meaning he's saying yes. Are you ready? Okay, since you're ready, what is your first question?
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Are you pretty?
Coco, is she pretty? Yes, you are. Morning, Coco. How about for your next question?
Are you sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? I was thinking about it. I'm sorry about that. But you can ask him again. Come on, ask him one more time.
Are you sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Yes, you are. Is telling something. Coco, you want to dance with our guests? Would you give him a chance to dance with you? Sure, that's great. See, Coco would want to join him dancing the famous Boom Boom Challenge. Okay, everybody clap your hands and now just follow up. Okay, you can do it. Come on, Coco, show them what you've got. Come on, now. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Come on, Coco. Come on, Coco, don't be shy. And turn around, come on, ha? Good job. Okay, thank you for being such a good dancer, Mom, but we are not done here yet. Before you go, Coco and Mom, how about a wave goodbye to everybody? Everybody say bye. Thank you so much for me to go back to your seat. And you'll be receiving also a gift certificate from Zoobic. Welcome to Zoobic Safari. Okay, sir, can you do me a little favor? Can you look to your family eye to eye and raise up your right arm like this? Come on, raise up your right arm, sir. And wave goodbye to them because this might be your last meeting. Say bye. I'm just kidding, but this time it's for real. Sir, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, since you're ready, please welcome my friend all the way from Zoobic Park. Here is Almond, our bear cat. Okay, sir, just relax. All you have to do is sit down a bit, sir. Can you sit down a bit? Sir, yung upo kayo, and put your right arm like this. Right arm, sir. Okay, just relax. And you may now stand up slowly. Alright, so once again, Almond is our Palawan bear cat, locally known as Venturo, and has a lifespan of approximately 20 years. They can stand erect like a bear and has a whiskers like cat. Thus the name bear cat. And these animals are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lifetime on trees. And to save these animals and let the next generation to still see this beautiful picture, let us help in the advocacy to stop illegal logging. But instead, let's start planting today that will serve as their home for tomorrow. Sir, what can you say about almond?
Heavy.
Heavy, alright. And don't you know that one fascinating fact about the bear cat is that they smell like popcorn or pandan, even though we don't give them a bath. How about a big round of applause for Almond and for my brave adult volunteer? Thank you so much, sir. And you're receiving also a gift certificate from the Phobia Bank too.